You've been carrying a lot in your head lately, haven't you? Those moments at night when you sit quietly, lost in your own thoughts, wondering why everything in your life feels like it's slipping out of control. Your plans don't work out, your expectations fall apart, and somewhere inside, a painful question rises. Why is this happening to me? Did I do something wrong? Why would Allah let me go through this? Most of us make the same mistake. When life hits us hard, we assume the worst, that Allah has turned away, that we're no longer favored, that His mercy has been pulled back. But that conclusion isn't accurate. Our scholars explain something important. Allah gives the comforts of this world to everyone, those He loves and those He doesn't. But the rewards of the next life, He gives only to the people He truly loves. So when you go through hardship, financial stress, emotional pain, mental exhaustion, loneliness, family issues, remind yourself of one thing. You are not abandoned. You are not unusual. Your struggle is not a sign that Allah has rejected you. This is simply the nature of life in this world. Allah never takes pleasure in your suffering. Never. Instead, He assures us in the Qur'an, with hardship comes ease. Not after hardship, with it. Meaning, relief is placed right alongside the difficulty, even if you don't see it yet. Some people pray for ease for years, 10, 20, even 50, and nothing seems to change. It's not a punishment. It's not a lack of mercy. It's a process of elevation. The Prophet ﷺ taught us something deep. There are certain levels in Jannah a person cannot reach by good deeds alone. Their worship isn't enough. Their actions fall short. So Allah sends trials. And when the believer meets those trials with patience, with trust, with Alhamdulillah, even in pain, Allah raises them to that level. So understand this clearly. Wherever you go, wherever you sleep, whatever place you call home, you are under the care of the Most Merciful. Nothing in your life was accidental. No moment was random. No tear you shed was ignored. No heartbreak was pointless. No delay was meaningless. Everything in your story was written 50,000 years before the creation of the heavens and the earth, written by the one who is most merciful, most wise, and absolutely just. So pause for a second. Take a breath. Your life isn't falling apart. It's falling into place. Trust the one who has never left your side. He's shaping you, strengthening you, and preparing you for the rank in Jannah He wants you to reach. May Allah grant you peace, stability, and the strength to face every test with patience.